on this MCB. 39 is inside temperature. Current status of the profile is run. 4 touchpads are there: tick mark, round, down and up arrow. Say example, I want to add my glaze firing and target temperature is 1220 with soaking. So how I will add this glaze firing program? Down and up arrow, just hold it for 20 seconds. You will find level 6. For entering edit program, we need to go into level 9. So tick mark plus up arrow. So this is level 9. Now enter up arrow. So this is repeat cycle number 1. This one is always 1 only. Profile number. My first profile I already entered, that is profile number 1 is for BISC 1. Now I want to enter my profile number 3. So I can select tick mark plus up arrow. So profile 3 is there. Repeat 1. Power down, resume. So resume is there. Link no. Alarm deviation, that is company default 3 seconds. Deviation hold, that is enabled. Start from step number 1. Number of steps, maximum you can add 16 steps, but I want 6 steps for this one. So I entered number 6. A1, there is no alarm in this kiln. R1 means ramp 1. Say example, my first ramp is 250 degree. So I entered tick mark plus up arrow. So it will go up to 250 degree. That is my ramp number 1. Now time 1 for this ramp to reach the temperature from ambient to ramp 1 temperature. That is 1 hour 40 minutes. Now R2, ramp 2 is 650 degree. My time T2 for this ramp is total 4 hour 15 minutes. Ramp 3 975. So whatever your program is there for luster firing, for on glaze firing, for porcelain, for stoneware, for terracotta, you can add all of your profile under this one. So 975 my target for ramp 3. I have given the time, that is 7 hours. So total time for ramp 3 is 7 hours. Now ramp 4 is 1150. Before entering the profile, you should know your program. So ramp 4 is 1150. Because I am going to fire cone 6 fire with the hold of 10 minutes. Holding is always depends on the kiln size. So T4 is 8 hours 30 minutes. Now R5 RAM5 tick mark plus up towards 1220 degree. So we'll set 1220 for RAM's 5. That is cone 6. Now time for this one. If I want to set 9 hours 30 minutes, then I can set 9 hour 30 minutes. Now I want to hold at cone 6 at 10 minutes. So I will set 1222 again and given the soaking at that temperature. Now I want to give 10 minutes hold for this one, for this firing. So total is 9 hour 40 minutes firing cycle. So this profile is completed. Like profile number 3, I will check all the parameters. Power down is resumed when light went off, then automatically when light came, automatically this firing is resumed from exist temperature. Number of step is 6. Lamp 1 is 250, 1 hour 40 minutes. R2 is 650, 415. R3 is 975, T3 7 hours. R4 1150, T4 830. R5 means RAM 5 1222, 9 hour 30 minutes. RAM 6 1222, 9 hour 40 minutes. Now if I want to exit from level 9, so I can press these two keys, 42, this inside temperature, and this one is the current status of the profile. Say example, now I want to start this profile. For auto save, just off the MCB, just on the MCB, so it will auto save your program. Now I will select profile number 3. So from profile number 1 to 3, tick mark plus up arrow. So I will move to the profile from profile number 1 to 3. Now press round plus down arrow. So status will be stop. Tick mark plus up arrow. So run. Now I will cross check this profile. So profile number 3 is run. Now back to the main status. So now your glaze firing is start for this one.